Hello everyone, this is Dipali here again from dipaliovi.com, and today we'll be making a simple eggless vanilla cake. So I have been getting few viewer requests for a basic eggless cake recipe, so I thought to make this video. So let's get started. First of all, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then take a bowl. I'm using a stand mixer here, but again I'll say that you can use the hand whisk to mix the batter. So take your curd and the sugar, and we'll cream sugar and curd until sugar completely dissolves. Now you can check the measurements for the ingredients in the description box below or in the video itself. So mix well. It can take up to half a minute or a minute. Now add baking powder and baking soda to this creamed mixture and again mix well. Just mix it well so that the baking powder and the baking soda is properly incorporated. Now keep this batter for 5 minutes. Do not do anything for 5 minutes. You can put a timer on your mobile or watch and just wait for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes you'll see that there are bubbles appeared on the surface of the batter, and this is okay. Like, it means everything is going fine. Now we'll add our vanilla essence and cooking oil, and we'll again mix it well. Now slowly add your all-purpose flour, that too in portions at a time, and blend with wet ingredients. Remember that you have to add the all-purpose flour in batches so that everything is incorporated properly. Beat well with a whisk or with your hand mixer until creamy and thick. Now this is one of my favorite tea cakes. Like, I'm not so fond of the cake with eggs. It's not like there is some restrictions, but just like the taste, I love the flavor of the eggless cakes. Now the same batter can be used to make muffins also. So now the batter is turning a bit thick, so I'm adding the milk into it. Just scrape the sides so that all the flour that is stick to the walls of the bowl can be added to the mixture. Now pour the batter to the tin, which is greased and lined with parchment paper. We'll bake this in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then we'll reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes again, or till a fork or a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. So our cake is ready now, and I'm checking it with a toothpick, and the toothpick has come out clean. So cool it and demold it. So this is the final cake after the demolding. See what a beautiful color it has. So let me just cut it and show you. Actually it's still warm and I'm in a hurry to have a slice of it, so I'm cutting it a bit early. Cake has turned out to be super spongy, see, and it's giving a very nice fragrance of the vanilla. Now this is a simple cake which has basically never failed me. So very few ingredients to go into its making, and the main player being curd and oil. And people who don't like curd, please do not worry, because there is not a single taste of curd coming out of the cake when it's ready. So in case you want to frost the cake, you can follow any kind of frosting recipe over it. I'll try my best to add some frosting videos in coming weeks. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video and hope you like the recipe. Please do try and let me know in the comment section how it turned up. I'll be waiting for your questions and anything that you want to share with me. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share my video. So thank you so much. Until we meet again, this is Dipali from dipaliovi.com.